Ang ganda talaga ng 3-story house and lot na to located in Las Piñas at napaka-flexible at low down payment pa ang offer natin. 5% lang ang down payment, maximum of 6 months to pay. Pwede mo na rin malipatan to. So, kung ito nga ang hanap mo, continue watching this house tour video. Hi mga kaprima, it's me again, Kiara Pepita Sabido for another premium home tour. At kung matagal ka na ngang naghahanap ng property na maganda, polido ang pagkakagawa at quality materials, ito na nga ang pinaka-marerecommend ko sa inyo if Las Piñas ang target location mo. Sulit na package kasi hindi tinipid ang materyales at craftsmanship ng bahay. And ang kagandahan nga dito, 3-story na ang property mo, kaya naman talagang na-maximize ang layout. Meron tayong nag-iisang RFO unit and that's the one na may 5% down payment offer na 6 months to pay pa. And of course, we have also pre-selling units na iba-iba rin ang lot size and floor area. For reference sa RFO natin, total developed floor area is around 162 square meters at ang lot area naman ay 60 square meters. And mostly sa mga projects na ino-offer natin is the same ang layout. Nag-iiba na lang talaga sa laki ng lote and total floor developed area. Mga units tayo na up to 100 plus square meters ang lot size at umaabot ng 200 plus ang floor area. Kaya naman marami kang options na pwede pagpilian at ang kagandahan sa pre-selling natin, usually 12 months to pay lang ang down payment at pwede mo na rin malipatan. So if you're in a rush to move in, may RFO tayo, nag-iisang unit, at kung willing to wait ka naman or not in a rush to move in, you can consider our pre-selling maximum of 12 months to pay. Price starts at 9 million pesos only at meron na tong 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath o 1 powder room sa ground floor for common guest use. Meron tayong walk-in closet sa master's bedroom na may access na rin in its own balcony. And ang advantage mo naman, meron ka na rin family area for this unit at may access na rin sa kanyang own balcony. The family area is also convertible to another room, kaya naman ang ganda talaga at best-selling sa amin to dahil talagang na-maximize ang floor layout. Location-wise, panalong-panalo ka din kasi malapit lang to sa airport, Alabang, Makati, Taguig, and of course, Manila area. Dahil nga Las Piñas area tayo, prime location and definitely flood-free and fault line-free. This is only available through bank financing or cash payment. Syempre, hassle-free ang processing kasi we will be the one to facilitate the home loan processing, kaya naman compliance lang ang kailangan mo talagang gawin. By the way, lahat ng cabinet sa mga kwarto, sa kitchen ay kasama na rin upon turnover at fully tiled na rin ang mga toilet and bath natin with quality materials. Lahat ng accents sa ceiling, lahat yan included na at quality materials din ang ginamit natin for the kitchen area. At kasama na rin dito